Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent, and today we'll be checking out GHO homes. Now, GHO is known for their elegant upscale builds. What you're going to see today isn't restricted to any particular community. These will actually be homes that you can build on your own lot or theirs in the city of Port St Lucie. And they also have different options in different communities in Vero Beach as well. So if you're looking for a new construction home like this one, reach out. This is what I do. I help people just like you buy, sell, or build their home. So here we have the beautiful Marlin 4 model by GHO. This model is going to give you 2,120 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a true foyer that leads out to the massive great room, all under an open concept floor plan. There's so much that you can do in the way of custom selections and design elements. And if you like the style of the home, but want something bigger or smaller, or just a different floor plan, they have other options as well. So make sure you reach out to me, give me a call, send me a message, or schedule an appointment so we can go over your options and go over some really important information you'll need when you're buying and building your new home. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that beautiful model by one of our local builders, but this is just giving you a small catalog of what's available here on the Treasure Coast. As always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about our communities or our builders, or if you're looking to get into this area and want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to give out a ton of information that's going to help you make your decision about living on the Treasure Coast. And I'd love to help you with anything you like to do here in our market.